open TERABOX video link without app. So first of all, go to your browser and go to Google. Now type on search box TERABOX link like this and click search. Now they will show you these sites. We will go to this website called TERABOX downloader. Now after you click on it, you can now download any video that you want. You just need the video link from TERABOX. Now the second option is, if you have the video link, you can paste it here. Let's assume that this is our video link. I will write google.com. Now after you pasted your video link from TERABOX, click on the top right corner, these three dots, click on it and scroll down until you find this option called desktop site. Now click on it. So after that, they will show you this page. It transformed like desktop page, and you can now download the TERABOX video. So this is how to open TERABOX video link without app. Thank you for watching.